Hi everyone, Ben from Full Scope Freelancer here, coming at you with a great update to the platform today. It used to be that when you created links to things like calendars or invoices or documents or surveys through the platform, that they only had our standard default link address. So you can see here, this is an old calendar created with the old system, and the link that is generated for it is this like API.lead connector, our default link generator for all of these tools. But now you can create your own branded and customized links using your domain, so that every time you create, again, an invoice, a document, a calendar, and send that link to your customers or your followers, it's going to be your brand. So this is what it would look like now. Now you can add something like link.yourdomain.com. As you can see, we use it too. So this is one of our calendars now, using our own branded and customized domain for that link. So to do that, you just need to come into your account, go to settings and business info, and down here you're going to see branded domain right between your business email and your business website. Here you can type in yourdomain.com, whatever it might be, and very, very important, make sure you add a subdomain, or rather a snippet before that, so that you don't tank your entire website. Your website is likely the thing that is living at yourdomain.com. We need to add a special precursor to that. So I would suggest something like link.yourdomain.com. This could be anything, but since this is for generating links, I think link. Is a great way to do it. And then you're just going to click add domain and go through the normal steps the same way you did with your normal website domain when you were setting up your account. And this could happen automatically depending on the domain provider you're using, or you may have to enter this record manually, just like you did again when you set up your domain for your website or for your email sending domain. It's the same procedure, but now once you get that connected, again, you're going to have all of your links generated with this lovely new on-brand link for you and for your business. So when you send stuff to your customers, they see your name associated with it instead of this random API.lead connector domain that they may have been confused by or thought, what is this? Why am I getting this weird looking link? So great update to the platform. Now you can customize everything you're doing in Full Scope even more than before. If you have any questions about this, of course, you can reach out to support anytime, and we'll see you in the next video.